Hello everyone. Whether you are preparing for your exams or looking to sharpen your problem solving skills, this session is designed just for you. We'll simplify each question to explain step-by-step solutions and share tips to score maximum marks. So get your pens and notebook and ready because mathematics is about to become your welcome back to my channel Infinity Plus, your one-stop destination for mastering mathematics with ease of confidence. In this video, we are diving into the solution of Mathematics Model Paper 1 for KC second PU students. So let's move ahead without any delay. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for the amazing content to ace your exam. So let's begin ahead. So first and foremost, whenever you encounter the question paper, there is an instruction here which you should be aware of. So in this question paper, you are having 5 parts, namely part A, part B, C, D and E. So you have to answer correspondingly with respect to the each part. So part A is having 15 multiple choice questions and 5 filling the blanks of 1 mark each they have given. So use of the graph sheet for the question on the LPP in the part E. So for the questions having figure or graph, alternate questions are given at the end of the question paper in separate section. This is only for the visually challenged students. So you should be aware of these instructions before solving the question. First and foremost question in the part A of multiple choice question, we are having this one. So let R be the relation in the set A. So they have defined the set where the numbers varying from 0 to 12. Given by, they have given a relation A comma B. They have given set of order pairs A comma B such that magnitude of A minus B is a multiple of 4. Means if you take the difference of these two, it should be a multiple of 4. And one more thing they have asked, the equivalence class containing 3. You can observe these 4 options what they have given. These two you can eliminate in the beginning itself because these two are not having the number 3. So now you are having A. A is the set which is having all the numbers from 0 to 12. So obviously 3 is included here and also 3 is included here. But if you take all the numbers from the A, the difference is not a multiple of 4. So this can also be cancelled. So next the answer will be D. So next question will be having if cot inverse of x is equal to y, then they are asking the range of the cot inverse of x. So you people are well known that it varies from 0 to pi. Third one we are having A is equal to Aij is a symmetric matrix of order m cross n. Then they are asking which of the following is true if A is a symmetric matrix. We people are well known that if it is a symmetric matrix, it should be a square matrix. Square matrix means m should be equal to n. So we can consider these 3 options. We can eliminate this one. Now you people know that if it is a symmetric matrix, all the elements on either side of the diagonal should be same. Means Aij is equal to Aj. So look at where you are having Aij is equal to Aj. So this one is the option for the answer. Next, fourth one we are having, they have given 2 equal determinants and you have to find the value of x. If you solve by taking the determinant value, you can easily find the value of x as D. That is 3 minus x square means multiply 3 with the 1 which is 3 minus x square which is equal to 3 into 1 is 3 minus 4 2 is 8. So you will get 3 will get cancelled here. Minus and minus will also get cancelled. X square is equal to 8. So x will become plus or minus 2 root 2 is the answer. And the fifth one question we are having statement 1 and statement 2. You can observe that left hand derivative of f of x they are asking. They have given f of x as a modulus function at x is equal to 0 is minus 1. This is true. Yes. So first statement is correct they have given. Now the second statement they have given left hand derivative of f of x is this one. You people are well known that this is not the left hand derivative. This is the limit of the function. So this defines the limit of a function but not the derivative. Derivative you will be having one more definition. So this cannot be the answer. So first statement is true and the second statement is false. So this is the answer for the question. Next, for the sixth one, we are having the derivative of the log secant x plus tan x with respect to x is, it is secant x. Next, absolute maximum and absolute minimum value for the function given by. So they have given seventh one, so, and you have to find the absolute maximum value for the function f of x, that is x cube, within this interval -2 to 2. So the answer will be 8. So why it is 8? You can take that maximum value you will be having, that is 2. If you substitute 2 here, you will get 2 cube, which is 8. So absolute maximum value will be 8. So let's move on to the next question, which is 8th one. Here they are asking point of inflection for the graph. So you can observe from the graph that this graph is not having any kind of point of inflection. So next question is e power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square into dx. This follows the formula integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx, which is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So by this formula we can observe that answer for this question is this one. Next, 10th question, integration of x into dx. If you are well known with the integration, you know that this question follows from the integration by parts method. So integration by parts means you have to follow Euler property. So by following these two, you can observe that B is the answer for this 10th one question. So for the next one, we are having the projection vector of AB on the directed line L. The angle theta is pi by 2. So they have given that angle theta is pi by 2 will be. So what they are asking? They are asking the projection vector of a line AB. There is a line AB and angle theta value they are having, it's a 90 degree. So obviously it is a 0 vector. Next they are given in the 12th question, that is for the given figure P minus Q is, they are asking what is the value for P minus Q. So answer for this one is, you can observe that this is P and this is Q. So if I are taking BA vector, we people know that it is OA vector minus OB vector. So OA vector is P minus OB vector is Q. So P minus Q will get it as B. So P minus Q vector is BA vector. So next question we are having the direction cosines of the negative z axis. You can observe from all the options here, the z axis you can observe. This is 0, so this is not the answer. This is positive, this is not the answer. This is also 0, not the answer. They are asking negative z axis. Yes, B is the option for this question. Next, P of A they have given 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 0. Then you have to find P of A bar B. You people are well known that the formula for P of A bar B is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of B. We people don't know what is P of A intersection B, but they have given P of B as 0. If anything is there, divided by 0 means it is not defined. So option is D. Next, the 15th one, the answer will be A. So we have solved all the MCQs that are necessary here. Move on to the fill in the blanks question. So first one question, the number of points in R for which the function they have given, this is the function, that is x modulus of x and modulus of x plus 1 is not differentiable. Just remember one thing, if you are giving this function equal to 0, you can take that x will become 0 and x plus 1 will become 0. So this is the one point of not differentiability, and x is equal to minus 1. So this is the another point of non differentiability. So there are 2 points. So answer is 2. And the value of I, this one, the answer is 1. And they are asking sum of the order and the degree of the differential equation. You people are know that the order of this differential equation is 2 and the degree of here plus 1. So answer is 3. The total revenue, and the 19th one answer is 4 and the 20th one answer is 5. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get all the updates whatever is needed, and I'll make sure that you'll be scoring better in your exams by revising all the model papers and all the chapters one by one easily. So let's move ahead with the first question in the part B. First question, they have given 21. So each question here is of 2 marks. So you have to answer any 6 questions, but I'll be solving here all the questions they have given. So first question is sin inverse of x into 2x root 1 minus x square is equal to 2 times sin inverse of x. So now we'll take the LHS and we'll prove that it is equal to the RHS. Now LHS is sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Now here you can substitute the other value for x here. So I will take x is equal to, it is sin theta. So if I am taking sin this side, so it will become sin inverse of x, which is equal to theta. Now wherever the x is there, you can substitute it as sin theta. Now this will become, this is equal to sin inverse will be as it is into 2 times x, we have taken it as sin theta, into root of 1 minus sin square theta. Now we people are well known, 1 minus sin square theta, 2 times sin theta will be as it is. 1 minus sin square theta is root of cos square theta from the following identity. Now here in square and root will get cancelled. Now we will get, it is sin inverse of 2 times sin theta into cos theta. You people are well known that the formula for 2 times sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. So sin inverse of 2 sin theta into cos theta will become sin 2 theta. Now sin and sin inverse will get cancelled since they are the inverse functions of each other, which is equal to, we will be getting 2 theta as the answer. Now we have got theta, we can write it as sin inverse of x. Now we can write in place of theta as sin inverse of x. So we have got the RHS which they have asked. So this is the answer for this question. So let's move ahead. So next question, we are having it as the 22nd one, which states that show that the points A, B and C are collinear using determinants. So in the determinants, we people are having only one formula, that is area of a triangle. If we are able to show that this area of a triangle is equal to 0, we can show that A, B and C are collinear. Collinear means they are lying on the same line. So let's move to the solution of this question. Now we are having area of a triangular formula, that is half into determinant of x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, 1 1 1 as it is. So now replace point A, B, C here at the x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. This will become 1 by 2 into determinant of x1 y1. x1 will be having A and B plus C. 1 will be as it is, and x2 y2 is B and C plus A or A plus C, and 1 will be as it is, and next is C, A plus B and 1. So these two are the points of A and these two are the points of B and these two are the points of C. So let's find the determinant value for this. Here the half will remain as it is. I'm going to find the determinant by using the row 1. So this element is having the positive sign and this element is having the negative sign and this element is having the positive sign. So this will become A into, leave this row and this column. So you will be remaining with these 4 elements. So what you will get? A plus C into 1 is A plus C minus A plus B into 1 is A plus B. So first element got over. Next we will be having minus B plus C. So if I am taking the second element, we have to leave this row and we have to leave this column. So we will be remaining B1, C1. So we will get B minus C because B into 1 is B minus C into 1 is C plus 1 into 1. If I am taking this as the element, we have to leave this row and this column. So we will be remaining these 4 elements here. So b into a plus b will be as it is, b into a plus b minus, again next one is c into a plus c. So this is what I have taken the expansion of the determinant they have given. So let's simplify this in order to get the area of a triangle. So this will become half into, multiply the things as it is. A will be as it is, a plus c minus a minus b, minus, multiply these two, this will become b square minus c square, as this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So this will become a square minus b square, plus now you can multiply these things. So this will be ab. So multiply b with both. So it will become ab plus b square minus ac minus c square. Now plus a and minus a will get cancelled here. Next we will be getting half into. Next we are having multiply a with the c. You will get ac minus a with the b. So it is ab minus b square, and minus into minus is plus c square. Next we will be having plus ab plus b square minus ac minus c square. Now you can observe one thing, that each element is having the negative sign of the itself. So plus ac will get cancelled with the minus ac, minus ab will get cancelled with the plus ab, minus b square will get cancelled with the plus b square, and c square will get cancelled with the minus c square, and you will be getting half into, that is 0. Half into 0, anything into 0 is 0. So what we are getting? Area of a triangle is 0. So if area of a triangle is 0, therefore we can write it as A, B and C are collinear, means they are lying on the same line. So now let's move on to the next question. So next question is 23rd one, which is find dy by dx if you are having this function they have given. This is an implicit function which is 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Write up the function as it is and differentiate. So I have written the function 2x plus 3y equal to sin x as it is. Now differentiate with respect to x. After differentiating, we will get 2 into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus 3 into differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx, which is equal to differentiation of sin x. We will be having it as cos x. Now you can write 2 plus 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x. Now send this to that side. It will become 3 into dy by dx is equal to cos x minus 2. Now send this 3 to the denominator of that side. So dy by dx will be at the LHS side. So RHS will become cos x minus 2 divided by 3. So here we have got the answer for what they are asking, which is dy by dx. We got it as cos x minus 2 divided by 3. So let's move ahead with the next question. So next 24th question, we will be having find the local maximum value for the function. They have given the function as g of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. So how to find local maximum? First we have to find g dash of x and we have to find the critical points. And after finding the critical points, you have to find g dash of x and you have to substitute the critical points in order to find whether it is a local maximum or local minimum based on the condition of local maximum or minimum. So let's move on to the solution. Write down the function they have given as it is. G of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. Now differentiate with respect to x. So you will get, what is the differentiation of g of x? It is g dash of x, which is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus differentiation of 3 into x is 1. So you will get, this is 3x square minus 3. So since it is we have to find local maximum. So we have to consider g dash of x is equal to 0. So what is g dash of x we are having? It is 3x square minus 3 equal to 0. So 3x square, send this 3 that side, you will get 3x square, which is equal to minus 3 will become plus 3. Now 3 will get cancelled, x square is equal to 1. Remove the squares, you will get x is equal to plus or minus 1. So these are the two critical points, means x is equal to plus 1 is one critical point and minus 1 is another critical point. Let's find g double dash of x. Now you are having g dash of x here. G double dash of x we will get, differentiate it again one more time. You will get 3 will be as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x minus 3 differentiation is 0. So you will get 6x. Now you have to substitute these critical points in g double dash of x. Now we will be taking first at x is equal to 1. So what you will get? It is g double dash of 1 which is equal to 6 into 1 which is equal to 0, which is greater than 0. If g double dash of x is greater than 0, therefore f is attaining local minimum here at the point x is equal to 1. So next point is at x is equal to minus 1, you are having g double dash of minus 1 which is equal to 6 into minus 1 which is equal to minus 6 which is less than 0. If g double dash of x is less than 0, therefore f is attaining local maximum at a point x is equal to minus 1. So we have got the local maximum which is x is equal to minus 1 and local maximum value you have to find. So local maximum value we will be getting at x is equal to minus 1. So substitute it at g of x. So what is the function g of x will be having? It is 3x cube minus. So we'll be having g of x as x cube minus 3x. So g of minus 1 will become minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 which is minus 1 plus 3 which is equal to 2. So 2 is the local maximum value of the function which they have given x cube minus 3x at a point x is equal to minus 1. So let's move ahead with the next question. So now we are done with the 24th question. Now let's move on to the 25th question. Here they have given evaluate the integration question they have given. So integration of sine 3x into cos 4x into dx. You may think that we can use integration by parts or the Euler property, but you can see that both the functions are trigonometric functions. So you have to use the formula here. So let's move on to solving this question. Now I have written the question as it is, integration of sine 3x into cos 4x into dx. We people are well known that sine a into b, sine a into cos b formula, which is half into sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. Substitute both the functions here. What you will get? Sine, in a place we are having 3x into cos 4x. So this can be written as half into sine 3x plus 4x plus sine 3x minus 4x. So we will get, it is half into sine 3x plus 4x is sine 7x plus sine minus x. So sine minus theta, we know that it is minus sine theta. So this can be written as half into sine 7x minus sine x. So in simple words, sine 3x into cos 4x can be written as half into sine 7x minus sine 4x. Now replace in the integration. So integration of sine 3x into cos 4x into dx can be written as integration of these two can be written as half into sine 7x minus sine x into dx. You take down half outside of the integration as it is the constant here. Now integrate both the functions separately. So you will get integration of sine 7x is, you are having minus cos 7x divided by 7. And next minus will be as it is, integration of sine x is minus cos x plus c. So now we will get the answer as half into minus cos 7x divided by 7 plus cos x plus c. So this is the answer for the 25th question. So let's move ahead to the next question. Now we are done with the 25th question and we have to solve the 26th one. They have given find the general solution of the differential equation this. So means this is a question from the differential equation chapter. So let's move ahead to solve this question. Now the question we have written as it is. Now we have to convert in a form of any of the methods of differential equation and you have to find the general solution. Now multiply this y with the 0. What you will get? You will get y into dx minus x into dy is equal to 0 into y will be 0. Now send any of the term to other side. So you will get y into dx is equal to x into dy. Now you can observe that it has been reduced into variable separable form. So send this y to the denominator here and this x to the denominator of this side. So you will get dx divided by x which is equal to dy divided by y. Now each variable has been separated on either side, means x terms are on the LHS side and y terms are on the RHS side. So you will get integration easily. Now integrate on both the side. So after integration, you have to write it as integration of dx by x which is equal to integration of dy by y. So integration of dx by x means integration of 1 by x is log x which is equal to integration of 1 by is log y plus in place of c I am writing it as log c. So this will get log x is equal to log y into c. So log will get cancelled on either side. X is equal to yc. So in simple words, you will get x by y is equal to c as the general solution of this differential equation. Now we are done with the 26th question. Now let's move on to the 27th question. They have given find the value of mod x if for a unit vector a. So they have given you have to find mod x value and a is a unit vector. What do you mean by unit vector? Means magnitude of a vector is equal to 1 and they have given this condition x minus a into x plus a is equal to 15. Let's move on in solving the question. So the given question we will be having x vector minus a vector dot x vector plus a vector is equal to 15. So you have to take the dot product of these two functions or vectors they have given. Multiply x with the x. You will get x vector into x vector will be magnitude of x vector whole square. Next x vector into a vector will be as it is x vector dot a vector minus a vector into x will be a vector into x, this will be plus x vector and next you will be having a vector with the a vector. So minus a vector whole square which is equal to 15. In a dot product, you people are well known that dot product of any two vectors is commutative. Commutative means you can write that a dot b is equal to b dot a. So these two are similar to each other. So these two can be cancelled only in the dot products. So you will be remaining with magnitude of x square minus magnitude of a square which is equal to 15. Since they have given that magnitude of a vector which is equal to 1 means the a vector which they have given is a unit vector. So replace the value of magnitude of a vector as 1. So you will get magnitude of x square minus 1 is equal to 15. Send this one that side. Magnitude of x square is equal to 15 plus 1 which will become 16. Now magnitude of x vector will be 16. Now you will get magnitude of x vector whole square is equal to 4 square. So let's cancel square on both the side. You will get magnitude of x vector is equal to 4. So this is the answer for the question they have asked. Now we are done with the 27th question. Let's move on to the 28th. They have given find the equation of a line in a vector form that passes through a point with a position vector. So they have given the position vector means it is a vector which is 2i minus j plus 4k, and it is in the direction of I plus 2j minus k, means this one is the vector b, which is I plus 2j minus k. So if you know a vector and also b vector, you people are well known that the equation of a line in vector form is r vector, means position vector, is equal to a plus lambda b vector. So you have to find only this much. Let's move on in solving separately. Now I have written a vector and b vector as it is. Then we are having the equation of a line in vector form, which is r vector is equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. Just substitute the value of a vector and b vector here. That's it, the answer. So this will become r vector is equal to a vector will be having as 2i minus j plus 4k plus lambda into, next b vector we are having I plus 2j minus k. So that's it, the answer for this question. So next question we will be having 29th one, which is prove that if E and F are independent events, so that the events E and F dash. They have given that E and F are independent events. You have to prove that E and F dash are independent events. So let's move on to solve this separately in the answer. So I have written whatever they have given as it is. They have given E and F are independent events. If any two events are independent, we can write it as P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. Next, we have to prove that E and F dash are independent event. Means we have to prove P of E intersection F dash is equal to P of E into P of F dash. Take on the LHS what we have to prove, and we will prove that it is equal to RHS. So P of E intersection F dash we are taking as it is. We know that P of E intersection F can be written as P of E minus F. So P of E intersection F dash can be written as P of E minus F. In simple words, E intersection F dash is equal to E minus F. So this can also be written as P of E minus P of E intersection F, means P of E minus F can be written as P of E minus P of E intersection F, which is equal to P of E will be as it is, P of E will be as it is, minus we know that P of E intersection F here from the equation 1, this one. So P of E intersection F can be written as P of E into P of F. Now from these two you can observe that we can take common P of E. So what's remaining? It is 1 minus P of F. So what is 1 minus P of F? Yes, it is obviously P of E into 1 minus P of F is nothing but P of E dash. 1 minus P of F can be written as P of F dash. So here we have got P of E intersection F dash. We will get it as, we have got it as P of E dot P of F dash. So this is the answer. So we have proved that these E and F dash are independent events. Here we go, we have completed all the 2 marks question which they have given, and now we are going to solve the 3 marks question in the next session. So dedicate some time to answer all the question by understanding each and every concept properly. If you are having any kind of doubt, please let me know in the comment box, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates whatever is necessary in the examination.